Guys, welcome to this episode of Spencer Science Season 5. In this episode, this is going to be very interesting. And it sounds very wild because today we're going to be talking about water slides and stuff. We're going to be talking about like the science behind water slides, but not only the science behind them, but in this case, we're going to be talking about how dangerous they are and what happens if you're in a completely wild water slide in the dark. What happens when you're in a water slide but it's completely pitch black? When it's like besides the water slide itself, what if the water park is completely pitch black? Like there's no lighting, no nothing. And so that's what we're going to be brainstorming and thinking about today. Well, the question mainly is how do water slides get made? How are these what is the construction of it all? Well, so basically there is a lip, there's a step, water slides they push you like a river. Basically think of it as that. They push you like a river. They have like a lip which is hard to describe, but you can see it based on the picture, really. They have a lip, they have a step, and so yeah, this is the design of how water slides are made, and it's very interesting. Yeah, I mean, I'm no expert at these kind of things, but basically, well, you can see it discussed a construction takes of a water slide. Now we're gonna get more in depth about these water slides. So basically, we're gonna be talking about all the dangerous effects of water slides. What makes them so dangerous? Well, not so dangerous, but like what could make them dangerous? And normally water slides, water parks like Great Wolf Lodge, those are fine. Those are fun. But is there a limit to it all? Is there a limit to it all? And what happens when you are in a full enclosed water park but the water park is completely pitch black, so you're going on these wild like slides in complete pitch black. Just imagine how scary that would be. You know, um, I mean, with stuff like this in the dark, that could be insanely dangerous. Imagine going down this a water slide, completely pitch black, like the water park, the everything completely pitch black and enclosed, and going fast river like speeds. That sounds like something else. That sounds insane, and that sounds like something else entirely. And so, yeah. So, what could make a slide dangerous? Well, we're gonna be talking about that right next. Here's the thing: water slides, they're fun, but they can also be sometimes dangerous. Uh, there has been injuries caused by water slides. Um, some pretty bad, some quite bad injuries to some okay injuries, some injuries that are really awful. So, yeah, there's sometimes a limit with water slides. You can make them wild. You make them wild. You make them fun. You make them entertaining. But then there's the point where it gets off the charts. Sometimes. No, don't get me wrong. Water slides are epic. Like going round and churning. I mean, it's insane. Is what it is. But here's the thing. With water slides, sometimes you just reach your limit. That just happens. Where it's kind of too dangerous sometimes. And injuries can be caused. It just happens. And so, and I mean, imagine that. Imagine that in the dark, especially in the dark. I mean, yeah, that just sounds insane. And so, yeah, just dangerous. So, yeah, that concludes our Spencer Science Season 5 episode for today. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Sorry, I'll see you guys in the next one.